Watching my father in his later years as a veteran and hearing the stories as an Army guy, I got probably the harder part of the discipline side of that, but as veterans grow on in years, you get to hear a little bit of the softer side of the story, the softer side of the camaraderie. And I really love this holiday because of the camaraderie between veterans and between our community and our veterans, and I'm honored to be here.
So thank you today for taking the time to teach our children the values of service, sacrifice, leadership, freedom, and liberty, epitomized by every person here who we call veteran. Their examples continue to inspire us. So I'd like to ask the kids here to give us a round of applause to your parents, your teachers, your administrators, your students.
I've heard it before, and I will say it again. We are free and united because of our veterans.